In today's video, I'm going to teach you the simple step-by-step process to open extensions and themes in Firefox, especially focusing on setting up a VPN extension. Whether you're new to Firefox or just looking to enhance your online privacy, this guide is for you. So let's dive right in and get started. First off, let's open the Firefox browser. Once you have Firefox up and running, direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen. Here, you'll notice a familiar icon that resembles three horizontal lines, often referred to as the hamburger menu. Go ahead and click on that. This will open a drop-down menu, providing you with a variety of options to explore within Firefox. From this list, you'll want to select Extensions and Themes. This option is your gateway to customizing and extending the functionality of your browser, making it more suited to your personal needs. Now that you've entered the Extensions and Themes section, our next objective is to find a suitable VPN extension. This is particularly important for those interested in enhancing their online security and privacy. With the Extensions and Themes page open, direct your focus to the search bar located in the top right corner. Here, you can type in the name of a trusted VPN service. Some popular choices include NordVPN, Surfshark, or Proton VPN. Simply type the name of the VPN you're interested in and hit Enter on your keyboard. This will present you with a list of relevant options and extensions associated with your search. Once you've found the VPN extension you'd like to install, the next step is to add it to your Firefox browser. Click on the extension of your choice, and you will find an Add to Firefox button. Clicking this will trigger a pop-up asking you to confirm your decision. Make sure you click Add in this pop-up to authorize the installation. Once confirmed, Firefox will begin integrating the VPN extension into your browser system. This process is quick and will automatically place the VPN icon in your toolbar for easy access. With the VPN extension now installed, it's time to turn it on. Locate the newly added VPN icon in your toolbar, usually found near the top right corner of your Firefox window. Clicking this icon will open the VPN interface. Depending on the service you selected, you may be prompted to log in with your credentials. If this is the case, simply enter your details to proceed. Once logged in, you'll be able to select a server from the list provided. After choosing a server, simply toggle the switch or click Connect to turn on your VPN. This will encrypt your internet traffic, providing you with a more secure and private browsing experience. Congratulations, you have now successfully opened extensions and themes in Firefox and installed a VPN extension. Enjoy a safer and more private surfing experience as you explore the vast world of the internet. Thank you for following along, and I hope this guide has been helpful for you.